What up folks, Cajun Blaze here, and today we got a quick little EDC video for you. First of all, the blade we're carrying today, Chris Reeve Sabenza, the large Sabenza. Man, I just love this blade. This is a fine piece of art right here. Carrying the Sabenza, large 21. Of course, we got some keys in the pocket. Regular key. Look, it's got me a little can opener right there on that. So that's the keychain. Drove my Chevy to the levee and the levee was dry. Got my watch on right now. Casio Pathfinder. Enjoying a fine Dominicano cigar. Yeah, baby. Popped a little hole in that one. In the right pocket, got my Calibri lighter for lighting up those fine stogies. Also, got me a little magazine there with some 9mm ammo. Check out that green. The zombie Hornady. Critical defense zombie killers. Also carrying the Ruger LC9, and let's see, multi-tool, Leatherman. That's my Leatherman Juice S2. Got it in a little pouch on my side belt. And that's it. I don't have a flashlight today. Forgot my flashlight at home. But that's a quick little video. I hadn't seen you guys in a long time. Hadn't popped out any videos lately. But that's my little video today. The pocket dump for the Cajun Blaze. Hey guys, Cajun Blaze always says, not A, not B, but see ya! In the next video, that is. We'll holler at you boys and girls a little later.